Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man VV, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good, stick around. Look, man, you guys already voted. You know what's up. I'm doing the Lil Baby Vocals. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to mix Lil Baby Vocals. It's gonna be a great video. I'm not even gonna overtalk it. Let's jump right into it, man. We're using our free template. If you don't have a template for recording in Logic or in Pro Tools, check out my free template down below. It's going to completely change the way you sound, completely change the way you record, and really inspire you to make some great songs right away. All right, so check that out down below. Let's dig into this track. I'm going to play it back dry, and then we'll start mixing. Let's get it.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shorty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Room running, I'm increasing the mileage. Whole summer, need them stacks that he piling. Brody said.
All right, bet. So as you can hear, the vocal already sounds great, and that's because it was recorded very well, man. And if you need some help on how to get great vocals from the start, or just how to mix in general directly from me, check out my group coaching. It's down below. All right, bet. Let's dive into this real quick. First thing I'm going to do, as always, load in Instant Mix. So give me a second. I'll be right back. All right, so we got Instant Mix loaded in. Let's play that back and see what it sounds like.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shorty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Room running, I'm increasing the mileage. Whole summer, need them stacks that he piling. We gon' step on them niggas, ain't doing.
All right, bet. So that just immediately added a bunch of body, a bunch of size, and a lot of saturation to the track. And it reveals some problems that I think we can fix. The vocals seem a little bit harsh, so that's really where we're going to start at. Let's go ahead and grab the de-esser. I'm just using the FG DS 902. All right, I'm going to bring this up to around 4K, and then I'll start to play with the. This is kind of the threshold when it should engage, or how aggressive the de-essing is going to work.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shorty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit.
Custom opto, as you can hear, the vocal is getting super harsh. It's like we're getting a little bit too much saturation. So I want to use this super clean compression to really control the vocal a little bit and not add too much additional saturation.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shorty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself.
And did you hear how quickly the compression just cleaned up that vocal? That's exactly what I needed it to do. It contained it, it held it in place, and it cleaned up a lot of that dirtiness from really just things being too dynamic and too loud. So let's play it again.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shorty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself.
Let's mess with a few of these tones down here and see if we can get a different sound or a more pleasing sound out of the vocal.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shorty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on.
Listen to how the vocal gets a little bit closer when I switch it to warm.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shorty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet.
It's very subtle, but if you listen, it's like he stepped a little bit closer to the mic just by switching to that tone. I like where that is. Let's go to some EQ. There's some upper mid-range issue that I want to deal with and dig out. So let's get there.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shorty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Room running, I'm increasing the mileage. Whole summer, need them stacks that he piling. We gon' step on them niggas, ain't doing. Brody said he never leave my side. Shorty, she the.
There it goes. Let's dig some of that out. And as you guys know, if you just make a narrow Q on your EQ and then boost the gain, you can kind of sweep through the frequencies and dig out anything that's off, anything that's annoying or not in the right place. So that's all we're going to do. We're going to take that down, maybe 3 or 4 dB. We'll see.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shorty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself.
There it is. I like that a lot. There's also something in the low mid range. Let me see if I can find that out. I think it's going to be in the 300 to 400 hertz range, but we'll see. I could be wrong.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shorty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself.
That's it. Let's get it. Just dig that out a little bit. Bring the Q. So we want the Q narrow when we're actually sweeping for the frequency, but then we want to actually widen it when we turn it down, because we don't want it to get weird when we're notching out these super fine frequencies. It can start doing some weird things. So keep the Q a little more broad when it comes time to actually turn the EQ down, and it'll help you out a little bit.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shorty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Room running, I'm increasing the mileage. Whole summer, need them stacks that he piling. We gon' step on them niggas, ain't.
Bet. You can hear the hook is also super loud when the hook comes in. Let's add some more compression.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shawty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Room running, I'm increasing the mileage. Whole summer, need them stacks that he piling. We gon' step on them niggas. Brody said he never leave my side. Shawty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Room running, I'm increasing.
And see, first of all, I love the blackface 1176 because if you have a vocal that's a little bit thin, like this vocal is, just because of the way he's attacking the beat, you can kind of get some more body if you use that blackface. It works out so well. Also, if you compress the vocal well, you can hear a lot more of the emotion in what they're saying, and it really helps the vocal and the delivery to come across a lot more clearly. So your compression is key. You got to make sure you get it dialed in right for the vocal. Let's listen to this vocal again, and we're almost there, man.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shawty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Room running, I'm increasing the mileage. Whole summer, need them stacks that he piling. Brody said he never leave my side. Shawty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Room running, I'm increasing the mileage. Whole summer, need them stacks that he piling. We gon' step on them niggas. Ain't doing job. Brody said he never leave my side. Shawty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Room running, I'm increasing the mileage. Whole summer, need them stacks that he piling. We gon' step on them niggas.
So what I'm doing with this is just adding a little bit of air, but I'm also rolling off above that, just so that it doesn't add too much super high that we don't really need. It also kind of focuses the curve of this EQ a little bit more. So that's all we're doing. And I think our vocal is just about there. There's a few things that I want to add to effects wise. There's just a few echoes and stuff, but maybe stutters I want to add. So let's look at that.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shawty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no
So let's go ahead and echo that mine. Bring that down to our echo channels. And we'll want to make sure that we're also bringing the tune down as well.
Call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. She the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Room running, I'm increasing the mileage. Whole summer, need them stacks that he piling. We gon' step on them niggas.
Cool. So I like those little things we added. I'm going to finish up this vocal with just an RVox. And RVox is really just kind of that ice, and it just kind of smooths everything out. And kind of gives everything that kind of polish that we need. So we won't do much. You'll see the red barely coming down, which is how much compression or how much gain reduction we're getting. It won't be much. We'll probably match the output with how much gain we're getting. So let's see.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shawty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Road running, I'm increasing the mileage. Whole summer, need them stacks that he piling. Brody said he never leave my side. Shawty, she
and also, I like the way the echoes sound, but they're a little bit too clean. So what I'm going to do is follow up the delay with a chorus. This is the quarter note delay. Let's just go with the regular old kilohertz chorus that comes with the Slate bundle. And let's hear how that sounds.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shawty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Road running, I'm increasing the mileage. Whole summer,
I like that a lot. And also I'm going to boost the send of this quarter delay to the CLA effects. I want to get a little bit more of that on it and see what it sounds like as well. So let's hear it.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shawty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Road running, I'm increasing the mileage. Whole summer, need them stacks that he piling.
And now that I hear that, I realize we don't even have any effects active on the vocal. Let's bring back our reverbs and everything to the vocal. We'll probably have to bring the volume up a little bit, but let's hear it.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shawty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Road running, I'm increasing the mileage. Whole summer, need them stacks that he piling. Brody said he never leave my side. Shawty, she the baddest, call her down. So it's hot, I'm clingy about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Road running, I'm increasing the mileage. Whole summer, need them stacks that he.
And just like that, man, you got you one. That's all you need to do to mix Lil Baby vocals. Look, man, if you need some more help, you want that direct one-on-one learning, check out my group coaching down below. That's right. I teach you directly how to get these vocals on your songs. All right. Look, man, if you need anything, drop me a line below. Remember, I'm VV and I'm here for you. Stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
Brody said he never leave my side. Shawty, she the baddest, call her down. So tight, I'm clinging about mine. I don't even need no stylist. Walk in the closet, put that shit on by myself. Roll running, I'm increasing the mileage. Whole summer, need them stacks that he piling. We gon' step on them niggas. Ain't doing job by, we gon' hop on feet. Watch little nigga run till we get him.